Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Theo from SMK SULTANAH ASMA. Today we are going to explore ionizing radiations. We will revise where it comes from and how to protect ourselves. Let's have a look at these questions. Which of the following is a natural source of ionizing radiations? The answer is A, cosmic radiation. Did you get the correct answers? Cosmic radiation comes from outer space. Our atmosphere blocks most of it, but some still reaches us every day. Next, Ali watched televisions every night until late. What action should be taken to reduce the ionizing radiation exposure? Try to think. The answer is B, sit at least 2 meters away. Even though radiations from a TV is small, still we can increase the distance to reduce the exposure. John watched television 6 hours a day. What dose does he get in 7 days? Given the dose rate is equal to 0.01 millisieverts per hour. For your information, millisieverts is a unit used to measure radiations absorbed by the body. Let's try together. First, we calculate the radiation received by his body in 1 day. We times 0.01 millisieverts per hour with 6. After that, we times 7 to calculate the dose he gets in 7 days. Therefore, the answer is 0.42 millisieverts. Let's continue. State 2, natural source of ionizing radiations. State 3, man-made source of ionizing radiations. Natural sources are cosmic rays and background radiations from the rock or soil. Man-made sources are nuclear accidents, nuclear tests, radioisotopes in the medicines. From here, we can conclude natural source occurs without human activity, while the man-made source caused by the technology or human actions. Next, what is the unit used to measure background radiation dose rate? What is 1 sievert? What level of background radiation dose is considered safe? The answer for A is microsieverts per hour. 1 sievert is equal to 1 joule of radiation energy absorbed by 1 kilogram of living tissues. It is considered safe when the dose is less than 0.2 microsieverts per hour. And now I have one structured question for you. Let's have a look. The diagram shows ionizing and non-ionizing radiations. These are the structured questions we are going to discuss. State 2 sources of ionizing radiation in the environment. Give example for each source of ionizing radiation in A. In two sources of environment is the natural radiation, the man-made radiation. The example of the natural radiations are cosmic rays, background radiation. The example of the man-made radiation are the nuclear accidents, nuclear tests, the use of the radioisotope for the medical purpose. State 1 source of ionizing radiation dose received and describe the safety measure. For an example, to reduce the background radiations, we can use the anti-UV spectacles or umbrella. We take X-ray only with the doctor's advice. When watching television, we sit at least 2 meters away. Furthermore, we should not eat food produced in the area contaminated with a radioactive substance. Last but not least, due to the cosmic rays, pilot flight hours has a limit. Did you notice the main safety rules to reduce the exposure to the radiations are reduce time, increase distance, and use the shieldings? And this is the last questions. Why is the flight hour of a pilot limit in terms of exposure to the cosmic radiations? Explain your answers. Higher an individual from the surface of the Earth means the stronger the cosmic radiations. Pilots fly at a high altitude for a long period and are exposed to more cosmic rays than the people on the ground. Therefore, to avoid exceeding the safe radiation dose limit, a pilot flight hours are restricted. We have learned about the source, the measurements, the safe levels, and the protections from the ionizing radiations. Radiations is part of our environment, but with the knowledge, we can live safely. Thank you for your attention.